Hello, Professor Beaver. Salvador here again, doing another screencast, this time on our performance of our computer. Um, there's different things you can check too. One thing is just to quickly bring up the setting systems about. You can see a lot of quick information right here. You got my 8 GB of RAM. Here's my processor, the clock speed. Um, but I guess for the project, we need to go into the task manager. So to do that, you hit Windows X and you click on task manager. And this has been a really good chapter for me because it's explained a lot of stuff about computers that has honestly mystified me in the past. But now that I see it spelled out, I realize that it really is much more simple than one would have expected it to be, you know? So here I started off, and this shows your computer's performance in real time from the moment that you start the task manager. So this right here is blank, not because nothing was going on here, but because this was initially when I clicked to open the task manager and it started tracking. Um, and you see the sudden spike right here when the task manager first opened up, and you can see the disk C also started transferring some data over here, which is presumably the task manager data because that's where the it's kept. And now to track the CPU usage during a regular workload, the project says to use YouTube, but that's kind of boring. So I'm gonna open up one of my favorite intensive music softwares that I have, Machine 2. This is a fun music making program, and I'm using two hard drives. And you can see the different jumps here from right when I open machine. Like I'm running the main operating system, the main actual the software that runs is right here in drive C because I want that booting up quickly and operating efficiently. But all the samples and sounds and settings that it accesses are all over here in the D drive. So you can see there was a jump in the D drive from it accessing all its samples and sounds. And then over here it just opened up the actual operating system. And you see a big jump in the CPU usage right when I opened it up. So it's cool. You can see both the disks. Memory, RAM usage also started going up a little more. And then what happens when we actually start playing music? Because these sound like I actually have a lot of different modules over here where it actually processes and manipulates sounds in real time and plays them back for us. So let's see what happens when we just play a simple beat that I've programmed in here. You see the CPU usage even has a little more of a jump once the music starts. Let's pause it. And it should start going back down. Bloop, 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 bloop. There you go, see? And then we hit play, and it starts going back up. And then what if we add some more sound? Let's add a synth here and monitors. And as soon as it starts playing, you see it going up because this synth is actually being operated by this right here. It's a whole nother like piece of software independent of Machina that Machina runs called Massive, and this itself is just its own synth. And over here we can add. There's even another one over here. So you see the processing power, steadily increasing as we add more and more things to it. Now let's say we want to add something like an effect to this too. Let's just add a chorus. So we're at 41, steady 41, 44, 30. All right. Let's add a chorus to this, which would be another. Ooh, you see the jump right there as I mess with the chorus rate. So Yeah, you can see how like all of this stuff can add up. And I can even go in and as this playing I can automate the computer automatically moving all of these parameters around for me too. So one could see how this could easily all add up. And then as we just close it, stop playing the music, close the software, discard all those changes, and it goes back down. So yeah, I hope that adequately illustrates that I understand the CPU, memory, disk usage, task manager portion of my computer. Thank you.